For me, the biggest thrill I get as a pilot isn't really flying an airliner from point A to point B, but it really is teaching people right here at Midwest Corporate Air and watching them come in and say they're interested in learning to fly, and then 3 to 5 months later, see them get their license and a rating and all their family with them. That's a big thrill. The other is, as an examiner, being able to actually physically issue somebody a license. Initially, I met Rick on an aircraft financing deal. So Rick helped me put together one aircraft, and then we used that aircraft for commercial and instrument training, and then we eventually did a second and then a third aircraft. And the third aircraft was actually this airplane right here that we use for multi-engine training. And then we turned towards Rick and Citizens National Bank for the financing of our business. Once we decided to change banks, it was an easy decision because we worked so well together on the aircraft side that we moved over to follow Rick and Citizens National Bank for the Plastaics side.
When we started with Steve at World Class Plastaics, we started out with 2 different operating lines of credit, equipment loans, but also we've been able to set up our online banking, merchant capture machines, with the bottom line being that the increased productivity and profitability for the company.
Even though we're not located near a branch, or I should say a branch is not located near us in Indian Lake or Bell Fountain, it's having Citizens National Bank in Bluffton and Findlay is plenty close enough for modern technology of the internet and telephone. It's very easy to do business with them even at a distance.
Steve knows he can contact me at any given time. And we talked weekends, whenever, but also at the same time, being a smaller community bank has been able to give Steve those quick local decisions and be able to turn products and services quick for them when they need those.
The biggest benefit for me in doing business with Citizens National Bank is I can talk to the decision maker or makers with ease. I can get a hold of who I need to get a hold of to speak to about anything going on, be it good or bad. The other advantage of working with Citizens National Bank is the fact that they know me as a person, so they don't worry about whether they don't micromanage me that I need to be at the factory because I'm the guy signing on the dotted line. They expect me to make sure everything is done and done properly, but they also know I'm an airline pilot and run other businesses, and that works out very well for me. It's a very key, important thing in my life to be able to do all the things that I like to do.